Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles, and today we're going to do the teaser on the long box, which is actually one of the best teasers in the room. I also think it's kind of easy compared to teaser on the mat. Just saying. I know there's springs involved, the platform is moving, but you've got the spring to help you lift yourself up and stay connected, so it's really, really nice. Typically, you'll go from backstroke to teaser on the reformer, so you flow from one into the next. So I'm actually going to show you the transition from backstroke into the teaser, so we go from 2 springs to 1 spring. One spring. So I have all the same weights on my springs, so I'll just have one in the middle when this is done. If your springs are weighted, you are trying to get one spring towards the middle. It will actually make it feel more balanced in your carriage, and you might not feel a pull on left or the right side. Okay? So if you were doing this from backstroke into teaser, you would have been at the edge of your box. This is really important because if you set your backstroke up too far on your box, then when you do this teaser transition, you're going to be too far back in the box. The further back you go, the less help you get from the reformer. So a lot of people do the teaser too far back, and then you don't have any help, and then it's like doing it on the mat. So I highly recommend being close to the edge for your backstroke so that you're pretty much at the edge for your teaser. I mean, it's like teasing the balance, right? So I'm going to go from my backstroke into my teaser, and then you kind of like do a little lean back, hello, and take the spring off. And then my hips are pretty much at the edge of the box. Don't worry, you won't fall. I promise. I've seen a lot of people, and your feet will just hit the foot bar. You got this. So you stretch out long, you pull your center in, and then instead of taking the arms up to the sky, I want you to take the arms towards the floor. So you're going to try to scrape the floor as you come up. Okay, just like that. You did it. And then we'll go back down. So there's a few teasers. On the first one, you'll hold it here, and your arms go up and down with your toes at the height of your eyes. So you don't want to be too folded in half. You want to have some space. And then you go down. And then on the second one, if that went well, you can do circles in each direction, 3 of them. Okay? If that goes well, then you actually get to challenge your balance and circle your legs 3 times in each direction. Right? So there's a lot going on in the teaser, but you do what you can. So you can always do the first one for 3 sets of 3. So I'll show you each one, and you can just think of the different tips for the tutorials as we go. Now, for you, I highly recommend paying attention to where it's the hardest part of the exercise and then not letting us know that it's the hardest part of the exercise. That is the challenge of Pilates, right? So when you lose slack on the strap, keep reaching into the handle so that way when you get the slack back again, it's not like, ooh, it caught you off guard, right? Teaser is not the peak pose of Pilates. They all go together, so if you're struggling with this one, don't worry. There's so many other exercises that make this one better, and you'll do a really, really great job at it. I have reformer classes over on onlinepilatesclasses.com for you. In addition to our mat classes, we have both of them, and you can do them as much as you want each week. So go check them out on onlinepilatesclasses.com and subscribe below for more tutorials from me. Thank you so much.